Here's a really simple rain cover for your quad. I found this really nice 1 liter bottle, super clear plastic, and I cut it to shape. And now when the quad tips, at least I'll have a smooth upper surface for speed forward. And I've just got a piece of Velcro here, so I can, very flexible plastic, but it holds its shape. Take out my battery, put all my wires inside the plastic shell, so I won't risk getting chopped by the propellers, and then just Velcro this strap on here. Pretty simple, but should be very effective as a backup. Clears the camera as well, so the camera is still well mounted. When the Tiger motor comes, I'm going to take off the lighting kit, so I'll lighten it up some more, and we'll check the battery life and the flight times. Hopefully we will be pleasantly surprised at the efficiency of these T motors.